First, the implication of this special treatment is that these crimes will be committed with impunity. If that is the environment in which these crimes are committed and in which these crimes are and how our so-called justice system is, grinds, then it means that the victims will not really get justice. And that is so objectionable, that the Philippine government is spending to renovate and even construct a jail, a special jail for Pemberton with air condition and all the comforts. I mean, you call that punishing this person? Of course not. That is not how you punish a person who has committed a crime. Yung sarili nating mga kababayan na wala pang ang kaso, nabubulok 20 years in jail. Hindi man lang sila natatry pa, pero nabubulok sila doon sa kulungan na masikip, pagkain, halos pagkain ng hayop. Pero hindi pinapansin yan ng gobyerno natin. I'm afraid that we will have another Daniel Smith in this case. This is Daniel Smith Park.